Hello guys, welcome back to CW Creations. I am Arjun for Popsins here. So today we are going to see about color psychology and logo design. So at this moment I am happy to mention that our channel has crossed 500 subscribers. So thank you guys, thank you for your love and support. So let's get into the topic. So I'm going to discuss about the meaning of the colors which are used in logos. There is always a professional way to do logos. So today I'm going to tell about the meaning of the colors today. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we are. Our first color is red. So red means excitement, strength, love and energy. I have also given some examples above here related to the color. So now orange. Orange reflects confidence, success, bravery and sociability. And now our next color is yellow, and yellow represents creativity, happiness, warmth and cheer. You can see the examples above. To catch people's attention, you can use red and yellow. And now our next color is green. Now green represents nature, healing, quality and freshness, etc. Now our next color is blue. So blue reflects trust, peace, loyalty and competence. Some of the examples are Facebook, Intel, Oral-B, etc. Now pink. Pink revolves around compassion, sincerity, sweet, sophistication, etc. And our last color is purple. So purple indicates royalty, luxury, ambition, spirituality, etc. One of the examples is Cadbury. And I have not mentioned black because in some countries they see black as a bad sign. So that's all for today guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, please share your comments and don't forget to subscribe my channel CW Creations. This is Arjun Feroz Popsin signing off.